Let's explore a fun and creative art technique called rubbings or frottage. Rubbings are a way to make designs using textures from different objects. One artist who creates rubbings is Max Ernst. He creates interesting textures and patterns by placing paper on top of different surfaces and gently rubbing over them. Now let's learn how to make our own rubbings using leaves. The materials you will need for this activity include a variety of construction paper and a few sheets of thin white paper like computer paper, some leaves, crayons without their wrappers, liquid glue and a glue stick, scissors, and googly eyes. Now let's learn how to make our own rubbings using leaves. First, find a leaf that you like. It can be big or small and any shape or color. Next, place your leaf on a flat surface like a table. Place a sheet of paper over the leaf. Take a crayon and hold it sideways. Now gently rub the crayon over the leaf. You'll start to see the shape and details of the leaf appear on the paper. You can even try layering on different colors. To practice using our creativity and imagination, we are going to turn our leaf rubbings into leaf people. To do this, cut out your leaf and glue it onto a sheet of construction paper. Create a face by gluing eyes and drawing parts of the face. Cut and glue on body parts such as legs and arms. Be creative and add clothing or anything else that comes to your mind. Here is my finished leaf person. And now it's your turn. Remember to be creative, try new things, and have fun.